Another awesome 21 plate Land Rover just arrived here at Acklam Cars. This one is a Discovery 5. So this is a D250 3 litre diesel S dynamic model in Fuji white with a full factory black pack. Now this car's done 2,000 miles. It's literally only 2 months old. And if you look in the market on Auto Trader to try and buy one of these cars, there's only 2 or 3 available. None of them look like this. And this is the best value one to buy for the spec. So Fuji white with a black pack, 21-inch gloss black wheels. Really the spec for me is all at the back. So when you buy one of these things, we've got obviously stuff like power boot. The black pack's beautiful. This one's got a factory tow bar, so a deployable tow bar, little button in the back there, tow bar comes down. It's obviously a 7-seat vehicle. It's going to eventually pop out. That's brilliant because, you know, if you're looking for one of these cars, most people are going to want to tow. Being a deployable as well, it hides away very nice and neatly, and it's easy to pull in and out as and when needed. It's got gloss black roof rails, that's an option. This one's got opening sunroof and heated steering wheel and side steps. Not to mention it is an R-Dynamic, so the little badges down here. The full car's styling is the upgraded R-Dynamic styling, so it looks brilliant. If we go back to the front of the car and start from the front, these new generation LED Land Rover lights are awesome with the daytime driving lights. We've got the new generation gloss black grille, obviously gloss black badging. Now these cars now come standard with the 360 surround view camera system like you'll find in the new Defender, which again is space age. Because it's got the gloss black styling package, you've got inserts into the bumper, around the front of the end of the car, into the mirrors and on the roof. Now that black styling continues along the sills of the car. Then you can see we've got those side steps which really do help you get in and out. Keyless entry, keyless start. Being the S model, we've got electric seats, we've got full leather with the silver stitching. Then the new generation interior. Obviously you've got that digital dashboard now, which is standard, which wasn't on the old Discovery 5. The new generation 11.7-inch TFT screen. And then jumping in, brilliant drive height. Always an awesome vehicle if you're looking for a 7-seater these, because they offer you loads of space. These new diesel engines in these are brilliant. They're very, very quiet. This one being the 250 has got that bit of punch, which is brilliant. And the price is awesome. It's $62,990. So what a brilliant price for this. But look at this screen in the new generation car. It's massive. We've obviously got heated seats, we've got digital climate control. Everything is very, very slick inside these. We've got the little shifter now, so it's a very small, short shift gearbox. And there's your surround view camera system. You might have seen the videos we've done on the Defenders before. Very, very advanced. That's brilliant. You've got a towing camera as well. We have got a tow bar. You can see because I've pulled the tow bar out, it does direct you with your tow. And that is another big, massive thing. This is all touchscreen. You've got Apple and Android CarPlay, all those new generation features. But an opening sunroof is a big one. Tilt and slide. If you look at the steering wheel, Tom, you'll see this new Land Rover steering wheel is also lovely. We've got heated steering wheel, we've got cruise, all those other features you'd expect from a Land Rover. What a brilliant car it is for $62,990. Brilliantly priced, loads of manufacturer warranty, breakdown assistance, just short of 3 years. Obviously, it's a 2-month-old vehicle, but for a new generation Discovery 5, it's really advanced technology-wise. And this one, beautiful condition and brilliantly styled, contrast styling with the white and the black. I love these cars. Absolutely phenomenal. Be quick. My name's Richard. Just call me on my number on the screen. Thank you.